They don't require perfect credit or a certain amount of reserves, but it is nice for your jumbo veterans, that are looking to get into that high value home arena to have some options, meaning that they could potentially do 100% financing like many other veterans. So maybe they can then keep their funds liquid, working for them, where they can really afford the home. Otherwise, debt to income ratio wise, there's also a residual income test on a VA loan that needs to pass. So there's a lot of benefits in regards to VA's not going to just let anybody buy a home, but if you have a veteran that can afford a $1.5 million home and do that 100% financing, it's nice for them to have that option if they saw fit. Okay. Now, prior to 2020, there was not necessarily that 100% financing option. You had to, again, come in with 10, 15% down. But after 2020, there was actually in 2019, there was an act passed, which was the Blue Water Navy Vietnam Act that was passed. And now, regardless of the purchase price of the home, a veteran, if they qualify otherwise, can actually purchase a home at 100% financing. And that's very, very powerful. One of the main reasons it is powerful is that sometimes a veteran may not have the best credit scores or may not have the reserve requirements, where in the jumbo arena, they're often looking for the cream of the crop. They're looking for 700, 720, 740 credit scores, 20, 25% down, 12, 24 months reserves. Well, on a VA loan, that's not required, and veterans can then purchase into that arena, maybe not where they're qualified for that jumbo financing. VA loans in and of themselves are one of my favorite loans, and the reason is, and I'll go back, I mentioned some of it, 100% financing. Veteran doesn't have to have the best credit scores. A lot of lenders will go down to a 580 credit score, even though VA says there are no credit score requirements. We as a lender, we can sometimes go below 580. It would depend on the actual credit itself.